Hi, this is Chad with NoviSign, and in this video we're going to show you how to create a playlist. What is a playlist? Playlist is a sequence of your templates that you put together to play. To get started, on the top it says Playlists. Select Playlists. Once selected, it gives me the ability to create a new playlist. Hit New Playlist. Once loaded, gives us our name and description. So first, we're going to name it NoviSign playlist. And at the bottom, we've got our templates that we've created. So here's the NoviSign template that we made. Now, to put together the templates for the NoviSign, we're going to find the ones that we want to display on there first. So we've got our NoviSign one. So I'm going to click the plus, and there it is. Now, if I wanted to maybe add a full screen forecast, I've got my 5-day forecast template. I click plus. And so basically, we've got our NoviSign. It says it's going to play for 30 seconds. Then it will go to the 5-day forecast. Now notice the lower left, it says 30 seconds. Why does that say 30 seconds? That means the template will play for 30. Now, the time, it says 30, and this one says 10. The reason this one is 30 seconds is there's a total amount of 30 seconds of content to play. So remember, we've got a slideshow there, we've got some scrolling weather, news, and basically all of the media that you have loaded into that layout will play one time in full. Everything will play. Then after it's done, it will go to the next. Now, if we wanted to adjust how long it would play for, maybe we want it to play for a minute. I click on 30 seconds. I'm going to change it to 60 seconds. That means the template will play for 1 minute. Then it will switch to our forecast. Now, let's say we wanted to add another one. So we've got our social media template. I'm going to hit plus. And let's say we only want those to play on lunch breaks, so people can see, social media feeds on lunch breaks. We wanted to schedule that. To schedule that, we hit the little calendar. If we hit the calendar, we get a pop-up. Creative schedule. Creative is another word for template. And we want it to play forever on recurring. So we're going to tell it to start at 12 o'clock and stop at 1 every day. Or let's change it to every Friday and Wednesday. It would play from 12 to 1. So you can set it to automatically play on specific start days and times, or if it's a one-time thing. Let's say, for example, you have a special guest coming, customer, you want to welcome somebody. We hit set expire, and we'll start date. So maybe the January 8th, and we'll tell it to play 2 o'clock, 2:05, and stop at 3:15. So when that time frame hits, that template would play, and then it would stop playing at 3:06. So long story short, to schedule content, again, put our mouse over, hit the calendar, and you've got our scheduling capabilities here. Very simple, very straightforward. And also keep in mind, you can add as many layouts and templates to a playlist. So you're not limited to 1 or 2. It's an unlimited amount. So add another one, add another one. Very simple, straightforward. If we wanted to get rid of something, hit the little trash can, it deletes it, deletes it. If we hit the arrows, again, I can remove it. I can duplicate it. So if you want it to play, have it there again, you hit duplicate, very simple. If you wanted to edit it, you can hit open creative. Very easy clean, fast way of creating a playlist. Once you have your playlist made, you hit create, and there it says NoviSign playlist. You can also change the views. So if you don't like this view, we've got an option of doing like a grid style view as well. So you just hit those buttons, hit it, and you can change it to list. And there we go. Gives us the image preview of it, the name of the playlist, the description of the playlist, the duration of it, full breakdown. So again, playlist button, you hit that. That enables you to schedule and put together the order of your templates of when you would like them to play. That's step 2. In our next video, we'll show you how to take your playlist and send it to the screen. Thank you.